Amazon Black Friday deals are live and the savings are massive. I've rounded up 35 of the best discounts across tech, home, and everyday essentials. Let's jump right in. Our first deal features the Vitamix 5200 blender for smoothies, now 45% off, priced at $300, down from $550. This powerhouse delivers smooth blends with its 2-horsepower motor, stainless steel blades, and 64-ounce vortex creating container, and it offers precise control with variable speeds plus a self-cleaning design backed by a 7-year warranty. Our second deal features the Meta Quest 3S 128GB VR headset, now 17% off, priced at $250, down from $300. This immersive headset delivers next-gen graphics with the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor, offers full-color pass-through with dual RGB cameras, boosts performance with 8GB of RAM, and gives you wireless freedom plus access to a growing library of over 40 games. Our third deal features the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones, now 43% off, priced at $199, down from $349. These headphones deliver powerful noise cancellation with quiet and aware modes, offer plush all-day comfort, and enhance your music with high-fidelity sound and adjustable EQ, backed by long battery life and an optional wired listening mode. Our fourth deal features the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5, now 30% off, priced at $350, down from $500. This iconic mixer offers durable all-metal construction with 59 bowl touch points for smooth, consistent mixing, a roomy 5-quart stainless steel bowl, an easy tilt head design, and 10 speeds backed by essential accessories for any baking task. Our fifth deal features the EcoFlow Portable Power Station, now 50% off, priced at $349, down from $699. It charges up to 7 times faster with a 0 to 80% boost in 50 minutes, offers expandable capacity up to 3 kilowatt-hours, delivers 1,800 watts output to power most home and outdoor appliances, and supports clean solar charging with long-lasting LFP battery durability. Our sixth deal features the Sony noise-canceling headphones WH-1000XM5, now 38% off, priced at $248, down from $400. They deliver industry-leading noise cancellation with 8 microphones, crystal-clear hands-free calling, up to 30 hours of battery life with quick charge, and a lightweight, ultra-comfortable design with intuitive touch controls for effortless listening. Our seventh deal features the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, now 25% off, priced at $1,058, owned from $1,420. It handles multiple tasks with a single voice command, delivers smarter daily assistance with Now Brief, captures stunning low-light videos with AI camera and audio eraser, and offers polished portrait photography along with quick, secure transfers using Smart Switch. Our eighth deal features the Samsung 75-inch 4K Neo TV, now 33% off, priced at $1,998, down from $2,998. It doubles as a stunning art frame with customizable bezels, delivers lifelike picture quality with mini LED precision and a matte glare-free finish, offers AI-enhanced picture and sound, and brings ultra-smooth motion for sports and gaming up to 4K 144Hz. Our ninth deal features the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, now 25% off, priced at $300 down from $400. It uses Element IQ technology for precise, even heating, offers 13 versatile cooking functions, including air fry and dehydrate, delivers faster results with super convection, and provides extra large capacity with an interior light for easy cooking visibility. Our 10th deal features the LG 27-inch Standby ME2, now 25% off, priced at $897, down from $1,200. It offers a detachable screen with a folio cover for tablet-style use, a built-in 4-hour battery for true wireless freedom, a full 27-inch touchscreen for creative interaction, and stunning QHD visuals powered by the Alpha 8 AI processor for smarter picture and sound. Our 11th deal features the Vitamix Propel Series 750 blender, now 41% off, priced at $370, down from $630. It delivers powerful blending with a 2.2 horsepower motor, offers 4 automatic programs, plus variable speed and pulse control, features stainless steel blades for smooth, consistent results, and includes a self-cleaning function with a durable 64-ounce low-profile container backed by a 7-year warranty. Our 12th deal features the JBL Vibe Beam, now 40% off, priced at $30, down from $50. They deliver rich JBL deep bass sound with an ergonomic noise-reducing fit, offer up to 32 hours of total battery life with speed charging, include clear hands-free calling with voice aware, and are water and dust resistant for all-day adventures. Our 13th deal features the Garmin Forerunner 265S running smartwatch, now 33% off, priced at $300, down from $450. It boasts a brilliant AMOLED touchscreen with lightweight 42mm design, up to 15 days of battery life, personalized daily workouts and race planning, over 30 activity profiles, and advanced metrics for sleep, recovery, and training readiness to optimize every workout. Our 14th deal features the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, now 25% off, priced at $535, down from $710. It boasts a bright 6.7-inch display for smooth scrolling and immersive viewing, a lightweight design for on-the-go use, a 12-megapixel selfie camera with generative edit for perfect shots, a long-lasting 4,900 mAh battery with super-fast charging, and durable armor aluminum with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for everyday protection. Our 15th deal features the Dyson V9 Motorbar Cordless Vacuum, now 55% off, priced at $270, down from $600. It delivers up to 40 minutes of powerful suction, deep cleans, all floor types with a motorbar head, removes long hair and pet hair effortlessly, features an LCD for power and maintenance alerts, and converts easily to a handheld for versatile cleaning. Our 16th deal features the Ecovacs D-Bot X 9PRO, now 46% off, priced at $700, down from $1,300. It combines powerful 16,600 Pascal suction with blast airflow for deep cleaning, features a self-washing Osmo roller for streak-free mopping, prevents hair tangles with Zero Tangle 3.0, adapts to different surfaces with the triple lift system, and includes an Omni station for up to 150 days of hands-free maintenance. Our 17th deal features the crucial P3102 TB M.2. PCIe Gen 4 NVMe, now 46% off, priced at $130, down from $240. It delivers blazing PCIe 4.0 speeds up to 7,100 megabytes per second read and 6,000 megabytes per second write, offers 2 terabytes of spacious storage for games and media, works with a broad range of devices including Steam Deck and select laptops, and features power-efficient design with trusted Micron quality for reliable performance. Our 18th deal features the Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2, now 50% off, priced at $398, down from $799. It powers up to 10 devices with 2,000 watt output, recharges ultra-fast in 49 minutes or via solar in 1.8 hours, is compact and portable for off-grid adventures, offers UPS backup with under 10 millisecond switchover, and boasts a durable battery designed for 10 years of reliable use. Our 19th deal features this high-pressure range shower head, now 38% off, priced at $50, down from $80. It offers a 12-inch shower head with full-body coverage, 10 handheld spray settings plus dual massage nozzles, delivers a soothing rainforest-like experience, and features a patented magnetic bracket for easy switching between rainfall and handheld modes. Our 20th deal features the Bose SoundLink Flex Bluetooth speaker, now 20% off, priced at $119, down from $149. It delivers clear, high-fidelity audio with deep bass, offers up to 12 hours of portable battery life, is waterproof, dust-proof, and drop-resistant, and features Position YQ technology for optimal sound in any orientation. Our 21st deal features the LG 45-inch curved gaming monitor, now 47% off, priced at $900, down from $1,700. It delivers ultra-fast 240Hz refresh with 0.03 milliseconds response, features an 800R curved OLED display with vivid colors and deep blacks, supports FreeSync Premium Pro and G-Sync for tear-free gameplay, and offers a massive 45-inch ultra-wide screen for fully immersive gaming with low glare, distraction-free visuals. Our 22nd deal features the LG 27-inch gaming monitor, now 44% off, priced at $500, down from $900. It delivers ultra-fast 240Hz refresh with 0.03 milliseconds response, features NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync for smooth gameplay, offers anti-glare OLED with vivid HDR colors covering 98.5% DCI-P3, and comes in a slim, adjustable design for immersive, distraction-free gaming. Our 23rd deal features the Razer Blade 14 gaming laptop, now 10% off, priced at $1,800, down from $2,000. It combines a thin, portable design with up to 11 hours of battery life, features an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU and AMD Ryzen 9 365 processor for powerhouse gaming and AI performance, offers a vibrant 3K 120Hz OLED display with ultra-fast 0.2 milliseconds response, and comes with 32 GB LPDDR5X memory and a durable aluminum unibody with advanced cooling. Our 24th deal features the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, now 20% off, priced at $1,600, down from $2,000. It offers a bigger yet slimmer design, an ultra-premium 200-megapixel camera with Pro Visual Engine, an 8-inch screen for multitasking with up to 3 windows, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, advanced armor aluminum with Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 for durability, and long-lasting battery life for all-day use. Our 25th deal features the Hisense C2 Ultra, now 25% off, priced at $1,870, down from $2,498. It projects an enormous 65 to 300-inch 4K display with optical zoom, offers versatile 360-degree rotation and tilt for perfect positioning, delivers vivid colors and deep detail with a pure triple laser and 3000 ANSI lumens brightness, and brings true-to-life tones with wide color gamut, high contrast, and AI-powered 4K upscaling. Our 26th deal features the Ninja Luxe Cafe Pro Series, now 15% off, priced at $635, down from $750. It combines 4 machines in one for espresso, drip coffee, cold brew, and hot water, features barista assist technology for guided brewing, offers dual frothing with hands-free microfoam, and includes an integrated grinder with weight-based dosing for cafe-quality drinks at home. Our 27th deal features the Crucial X 10 Pro 2TB portable SSD, now 28% off, priced at $150, down from $209. It delivers ultra-fast read/write speeds, up to 2100/2000 megabytes per second, offers rugged IP55 water and dust resistance with 7.5 feet drop protection, provides broad compatibility with multiple devices, and includes 2 terabytes of secure storage plus bonus software for creators on the go. Our 28th deal features the GoPro Hero 13 Extended Power Bundle, now 30% off, priced at $349, down from $500. It captures stunning 5.3K video and 24.7 MP photos, supports HB series lenses with auto detection for ultra-wide, macro, and cinematic shots, offers slow motion up to 13 times, and is rugged and waterproof to 33 feet with an extended bundle including multiple batteries, mounts, and accessories. Our 29th deal features the Breville Air Fryer and Convection Oven, now 20% off, priced at $280, down from $350. It combines 11 versatile cooking functions with a dedicated air fry setting, uses Element IQ and Super Convection for faster, precise cooking, offers a large interior for family-sized meals, and includes an integrated oven light for easy monitoring. Our 30th deal features the Nemo 15.6-inch light gaming laptop, now 40% off, priced at $600, down from $1,000. It's powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 Pro processor with 32 GB RAM and 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, offers a vibrant 15.6-inch FHD IPS display with anti-glare, features a backlit keyboard and integrated fingerprint reader, and includes fast 100-watt USB-C charging with a durable, future-proof design. Our 31st deal features the NutriBullet full-size blender, now 50% off, priced at $80, down from $160. It comes with a multi-serving pitcher and single-serve cups, offers 1200-watt power with 3 speeds plus pulse and extract programs, includes durable stainless steel blades and BPA-free containers, and is easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts and a 1-year warranty. Our 32nd deal features the Asus GeForce RTX TM 5070 12GB, now 11% off, priced at $543, down from $610. It's powered by NVIDIA Blackwell architecture with DLSS 4, features Axial Tech fans, and a phase change thermal pad for superior cooling, fits small form factor builds with its 2.5 slot design, and delivers reliable high-performance graphics for gaming and creative workloads. Our 33rd deal features the Apple Watch SE, now 36% off, priced at $160, down from $249. It keeps you connected with calls, texts, and Siri, tracks health and safety with fall detection and heart monitoring, is swimp-proof with customizable bands and watch faces, and serves as a versatile fitness partner with advanced workout metrics and Apple Fitness Plus integration. Our 34th deal features the JBL Go 3, now 25% off, priced at $30, down from $40. It delivers rich JBL Pro sound with punchy bass, features a colorful ultra-portable design, offers up to 5 hours of battery life, supports wireless Bluetooth streaming, and is fully IP67 waterproof and dustproof for on-the-go listening. Our 35th deal features the Asus TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 5080 now 17% off, priced at $1,336, down from $1,600. It's powered by NVIDIA Blackwell architecture with DLSS 4, built with military-grade components for durability, features a protective PCB coating, optimized 3.6 slot cooling with 3 Axial Tech fans, and a phase-change GPU thermal pad for superior heat management under heavy loads. So that's a wrap on today's 35 hidden early Black Friday deals on Amazon. If there's any product you think we missed, drop a comment and we'll include it in the next part. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description to grab these deals before they're gone.